today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Let's see how John likes the bike.
I like it.
Right?
Yeah.
Easy controlled bike, right? Easy to ride.
Very.
I knew you'd like it. So I figured I'd record you coming back in so I can get your reaction.
No, I like it. I took it out on the road. I had it up to 40.
It's a nice, easy riding bike, right?
Oh, yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh man, I got ducked again. I'm gonna have to pay it forward this time. I went to mow the lawn and it acted like the battery was dead. Then I went to jump the battery and then it sounded like, wow, it might be hydraulic locked. And I smell gas in there a little bit, but you know you do anyway. So I pulled a dipstick and it was way over full. Can anybody guess what it was? Yep, the float on a carburetor must have been sticking. So I'm gonna have to see if there's a shutoff valve on this. And there isn't. So I might have to buy a shutoff valve for this. Until I guess that's not working. Anyway, I just drained all the oil. And it's like half gas and half oil. So I don't have any oil, so I gotta go get some oil now, boys. Off to the auto parts. O'Reilly's. Make it a leak again, boys. Pine cones, boys, pine cones.
Yeah, don't throw gas oak rags in a burn barrel.
Let me show you something.
What an idiot! The next day.
Honda US headquarters.
Once you pack up your damn Bible, if you love Jesus, do you, driver? This is your buddy. You sucking on Jesus, are you? But why don't you pack up your Bible and your crucifix and tote your Jesus loving to Jerusalem?
Jeebus.
Or maybe Bethlehem. Maybe you want to go live in the manger.
Somebody,
Maybe suck
man.
Jesus right there in the manger. Break 1-9, you Jesus sucker, you make me sick. 10-10 on the side, off and die.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a good one. I guess that's been all morning. Someone said they came through southbound 8 o'clock a.m. Boy, that's a long ride. Good to be home. You miss me?
Yeah, you've been gone for like 5 weeks or so.
I missed you too, girl.
The next day.
Let's see that plow setup you got there.
Yeah.
Jeffro.
If there's one thing I can't.
So plowed good?
Yeah, it plows really good. I mean,
You didn't have to put any weight in the back?
nothing. Nothing. Just in four-wheel drive, not even like dip lock.
Oh yeah?
Plows good.
So it was like front wheel drive then.
No,
Better than a quad though.
Well, once you drop the plow, the weight's out there.
No, I know. But you still, most of weight, there's no weight in the back of this. Try doing two-wheel drive, you won't even move.
Well, she do. Well, no, she won't plow. But I gotta get mirrors for it now. I lost.
Oh,
that
what the
mirror.
heck you
That
do?
mirror's broke. I was up in the woods with it. Yeah, it's going through trees a little bit. It wasn't quite that bad.
Oh. Chris is bringing his over, Motor Rider.
Is he?
Yeah, those are my old original tires. They worked out pretty good, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. Look up, Paul.
They got pretty good tread. And they're not terribly noisy, right?
Nope.
No, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
You got the old electric over hydraulic, so you got the actual four-way.
Four-way plow, yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, angle, power, it works great. I mean, I plow snow with it. That day it rained and snowed here, I used this.
Nice.
And there was heavy snow too.
Yeah.
It was pushing like nothing.
Good. That's good.
Yeah.
Who's that? Oh, look, it's Motor Rider. Motor Rider's got a new mini truck. That thing is pretty clean.
Wow. You didn't get this one? Is it 7 races?
Mini truck gang.
Mini truck gang.
Oh, that thing is clean, huh? Holy cow.
Oh, it's got the back body, the right back body on there.
This isn't a motorcycle.
Nice.
You make her don't.
Nice. You get your bike back there to see what it looked like?
No.
No? Now you got to get a ramp, huh?
Mini bike.
Oh, the mini bike? That's good too.
Where'd you get this, Chris?
This thing's clean. I saw the pictures.
Who had it? Who had it?
Look at that. He must have had the seats recovered, huh?
I don't know. It seems like original.
I don't know, man. They're in way too good a shape. Way too good a shape. These are brand new. There ain't even a stain on them. They'd look like your floor mats.
Oh, damn.
You know what? They might be original. I don't think they'd use the old hog rings. Oh, maybe. No, they were changed. They used the old ones. See that one they broke? They used the old hog rings.
You got a 4-speed or 5-speed? 4-speed.
4-speed. Nice. Nice, nice. This is clean. Very clean.
Did you take it off-roading?
Good job. How much you pay? 55?
54.
54? Good deal. It is scary because Chris is on the road.
Another Suzuki.
Oh no. Mini. Look at it. She ain't even saying a word.
We ought to get them all three up on the rock, get a picture of them.
I know. I bet you my battery's dead. Yeah, the battery's dead. I mean, I put one of these things that you call disconnect, you know, like a while ago. And I don't use it. And if you're wondering what's drawing the battery down, the wireless remote for that winch and that winch is what's drawing it. It's parasitic because it's always waiting for a radio signal from the remote. That's right. Shut that battery disconnect off. What is up, mini truck? That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.